This deck, it survived another Kiwi winter. That means rain, frost, soggy socks, you name it. But now it's summer, and that means barbecues, bare feet, and the New Zealand sun. If you want it looking good and lasting, you need more than just a tin of paint. Don't worry, this is your ultimate deck reno checklist from MASTERMAX. Let's break down how to prep, pick, and protect your deck properly this summer. First up, the prep. And your secret weapon, PrepMax. It doesn't just clean the surface, it kills moss, mold, and lichen spores at the root while opening up the timber fibres. It lifts the grime and helps your timber breathe again, which means your paint or stain can soak in properly. Best applied with a broom, and don't forget your safety gear. You'll see the foam as it gets to work. That's the PrepMax doing its thing. Once it's clean and dry, it's time to finish the job. Let's go look at a few. If you can still see the timber grain and just want a bit of a refresh, DeckMax is your go-to. But if you're short on time, UltraMax is our one-coat wonder. Then again, if your deck's seen better days, you probably want our full colour paint. TimberMax is great if you want to give a full colour refresh. 3 decks, 3 solutions, all available at Mitre 10. Once you've picked your products, it's time to get stuck in, once you've got the right tools. A roller for the big areas, or if you're using a stain, an applicator is a better option. A brush for the corners, a tray for the paint, some sturdy footwear, gloves, and some safety glasses. Prep's done, gear's ready. Now it's time for the fun bit. This is where all the hard work pays off. Start with your brush, work the product into the edges between your boards and around railings. Then move to your roller for the main boards. Applying long, even strokes, following the grain to get that smooth, consistent finish. You'll see the colour come to life as the timber drinks it in. Whew. Now that's the deck looking ready for summer. Rich, smooth, and looking brand new again.